how to convert PowerPoint to JPEG image. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily convert your PowerPoint slides to JPEG image. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your PowerPoint presentation and then go to the file option on the top left corner of the screen, and then you will need to go to export option, and you can see change file type, tap on it and then tap on save as, and a pop-up will open up. You will need to tap on save as type, and here you'll need to tap JPEG file interchange format and then just hit save. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.